Hello everyone, welcome to our show Zyka World. I'm your host and cooking expert Hina. As you know the format of our show, we always try to bring something which is very simple and easy plus is traditional. So you're probably thinking what is the menu for today in our Zyka's kitchen? Yes, today's menu is very tasty and delicious. We're gonna prepare for you guys the mixed pakora, and we're gonna serve these pakoras with coriander, mint and yogurt sauce. So as you know the name pakora, you can use that recipe for your appetizers and you can use it for your tea times. Even when there is some sort of gathering, you can just prepare them and serve it to your guests. They're gonna be very happy and pleased with that. And whenever then you can feel a difference in your weather, like it's a rainy season, normally you feel like eating some fried food, so it's the best option to prepare pakoras at home. So I'm gonna prepare for you guys the mixed pakora. And before we start sharing the ingredients of our recipe with you guys today, as I always say to you, wash your hand and clean your surface before you start cooking. So now I'm gonna quickly share the ingredients of our recipe of the mixed pakora and plus coriander and mint sauce. First of all, for making pakoras we need some veggies. So the veggies I choose for my mixed pakora is potatoes. Here I got the spinach. You can even use the baby spinach as well. No, it doesn't really matter as long as fresh. Here I got some spring onions, green chilies, onions, and some of the coriander leaves. Here I got the mint leaf and all the spices which we need for our mixed pakora today. First of all, here I got the cumin seeds. We got the crushed chili flakes. Here I got garam masala powder, yogurt, this is crushed coriander, dry coriander, this is the turmeric powder, ginger garlic paste, dry pomegranate seeds, last not the least the salt, and plus we need some water and cooking oil. Here I got the cooking oil for frying our pakoras and water to mix our batter. Last not the least, the most important thing of our recipe is the gram flour. Here I got the gram flour, nearly half kg in this big bowl. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna prepare our batter first, and then I will chop our veggies, and then we will fry our pakora and prepare the sauce too. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grab this ball of gram flour. I'm just gonna make a little bit space on my counter. So first of all, what I will do for making my pakora mixture or batter, here I got the gram flour. I already used the sieve to check out there's nothing in there, so it's nice and clear. In this gram flour, we're gonna add our spices in. We're gonna mix the mixture with the water, and I'm gonna leave it to settle itself down. So meanwhile what we will do, we chop our veggies. So first of all, here I got the ginger garlic paste. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste into our batter. So here I nearly got 2 tablespoons of that, so I'm adding all of it. As you know, I will always try to bring variations in my recipe. Normally whenever you have pakoras or you eaten pakoras, you probably never ever added in the ginger garlic paste, but try my recipe, you're really gonna feel the difference of it. Okay, so here I got the cumin seeds. We're gonna get half tablespoon of cumin seeds, and they're going straight into our gram flour. What I'm trying to do, I'm gonna prepare this batter first, then I'm gonna leave it on the side to rest itself. So all the spices should be mixed properly in this gram flour batter, and then we add our veggies and we're gonna prepare our pakoras, which is gonna be very crispy, because when you prepare things like that, it always turn out in a very good result. So here I got the crushed chili flakes, so 1 tablespoon and another half tablespoon, because the recipe which I'm making, my mouth is watering because I'm just started it now. So they always need like extra spicy sort of stuff in it, because if they're spicy and crunchy, they are more nice to have. So here I got the garam masala powder, which is known as the allspice powder. So I'm gonna add half tablespoon of that in there. So here I got the salt, As I always say, avoid too much usage of the salt because it's not healthy option. I'm gonna add nearly half tablespoon of salt in this, and when you prepare this batter, you can always taste it as a raw to find out if all the spices or ingredients are properly in there. Otherwise you can add more or you can reduce the amount, whatever you want to do. Okay, so here I got the that's the turmeric powder. You're probably thinking why she's adding turmeric powder. It will give very nice taste to your pakora mixture, plus also it is very good when you use the turmeric powder because it is anti-inflammatory. So lots of problem we are facing nowadays, it is very helpful for that. So we're gonna add nearly half a teaspoon, a pinch of this, just to give a nice color and plus a taste to our recipe. And here we got the crushed coriander seeds, so I'm gonna add nearly half a tablespoon of that, a little bit more. You're gonna give a very nice taste and plus a good smell to our recipe. Here I got the dry pomegranate seeds. It's optional. Some people do like that in their pakoras and some people don't like it, so entirely up to you guys. Even people chew them raw because they taste very nice. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use my hand for these because they are stick to each other. Just gonna put it in like this so they can be separated, because what they do, they just get the seeds of fresh pomegranate and then dry in a process. I think so it's being dried in the with the sun, so I'm not too sure about that, but I will definitely find about that, how they're gonna dry the pomegranate seed, and next time probably I will share it with you guys. So this is nearly probably 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoon of pomegranate seeds we added in our recipe. And now we're gonna mix this well. Okay, so basically what we did, we added all our spices because these pakoras are always like that. If they are crispy, they are more tastier and nicer. To make them crispy, what we're gonna do, I'm not using the baking soda or baking powder in it. Here I got the plain yogurt. I'm gonna add 2 to 3 tablespoons of plain yogurt. That will help them to be softened, and plus it's gonna give a very nice taste. So I'm adding 3 tablespoons full of the plain yogurt into this, and now we're gonna mix this properly. Okay, so what we did, we mixed our all the spices in this gram flour, and now I'm gonna slowly pour in the water, and so the prepare proper batter out of this. Slowly pour in and then mix well, because neither we want this too thick and neither too thin. Okay, very simple and easy, but as I always say, I try to bring the recipes with variations. So you've probably seen there's so many ingredients you never used before whenever you prepare the vegetable pakoras and mixed pakoras. So next time do try it and you will see the difference in not only in taste plus also in texture too. So, and plus this recipe is especially for all my vegetarian fans and followers. They're probably gonna love me all this week, because what we're trying to do, we're trying to prepare maximum of the vegetarian dishes. Like we prepare the our tandoori cauliflower with peas and potatoes. Now today we are preparing our mixed pakoras, and before that we prepared this sweet corn fried rice. So all these recipes are especially for all these vegetarian people who don't like chicken or they don't like the meat in their food. So what I'm doing, I'm just adding little bit water and preparing the mixture, because I don't want this to be too thin, because we're gonna add the vegetable in there afterwards. Very nicely and smoothly and slowly we are just preparing our batter for pakoras. Okay, so a little bit more water in. And sometime I will give you a tip here. Sometime what happen when you prepare the batter, if you add more water in, don't worry, you can always increase the amount of your gram flour, so it will help you to settle your mixture down. You're probably following me how I'm doing. I'm just slowly adding water, then it will helpful to check the thickness of your batter what you're preparing. I'm just gonna show you now the thickness of the batter. It is that thick. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna keep it on the side. So actually the gram flour needs some time to raise itself. So what it's gonna be doing for settling itself down, and it's gonna raise up. Then meanwhile we will do our chopping for veggies. You can just see the thickness, how thick it is. As we're gonna add veggies in it, this thickness gonna be go away, and it's gonna be very nice according to our requirement. You can see that exactly. Just a quick stir, and that's done. So now I'm gonna leave it on the side to settle itself down. Meanwhile I will chop the veggies. So first of all, here I got the potatoes. I'm gonna peel them and then I'm gonna chop them. Here is the time for a very short break. Don't go anywhere, we will be right back. Keep watching our show Zyka World only on TV99.
मिक्स पकोड़ा अज्जा बेसन आधा किलो, हरी प्याज 1 से 2 अदद, हरी मिर्च 4 से 6 अदद, कुटी हुई लाल मिर्च 1.5 खाने का चम्मच, साबुत धनिया 1 चाय का चम्मच, गरम मसाला पाउडर आधा खाने का चम्मच, अदरक लहसुन का पेस्ट 2 खाने के चम्मच, प्याज 2 अदद दरमियाने साइज की, हरा धनिया 5 खाने के चम्मच, पालक आधी गट्टी, आलू 1 अदद, जीरा 1 खाने का चम्मच, दही 2 से 3 खाने के चम्मच, अनारदाना 2 खाने के चम्मच, नमक हस्बे जायका, तेल फ्राई करने के लिए, पानी मिक्स करने के लिए, हल्दी 1 चाय का चम्मच। तरकीब: एक बर्तन में बेसन, तमाम मसाले, लहसुन अदरक का पेस्ट, दही और पानी शामिल करके अच्छी तरह से मिक्स कर लें और 10 से 15 मिनट तक के लिए छोड़ दें। तमाम सब्जियां काट लें, फिर इन सब्जियों को बेसन के आमेजे में शामिल करके खूब अच्छी तरह से मिक्स कर लें और 5 से 10 मिनट के लिए रख दें। दरमियानी आंच पर तेल गर्म करें, फिर इसमें बेसन और सब्जियों का आमेजा शामिल करके पकौड़ों की तरह तल लें। जब गोल्डन ब्राउन हो जाए तो कढ़ाई से निकालकर गर्मा गर्म चटनी और केचप के साथ सर्व करें। मिक्स पकौड़ा। इंग्रेडिएंट्स: ग्राम फ्लावर हाफ kg, टर्मरिक पाउडर 1 टीस्पून, स्प्रिंग अनियन 1 to 2 pieces, ग्रीन चिलीज 4 to 6 pieces, चिली फ्लेक्स 1.5 tablespoon, कोरिएंडर सीड्स 1 teaspoon crushed, गरम मसाला पाउडर हाफ tablespoon, जिंजर गार्लिक पेस्ट 2 tablespoon, onion 2 medium size, green coriander 5 tablespoon, spinach half bunch, potato 1 chopped, cumin seeds 1 tablespoon, yogurt 2 to 3 tablespoon, pomegranate seeds 2 tablespoon, salt up to taste, oil for frying, water to mix. Cooking directions: in a pot, combine gram flour with all the spices, ginger garlic paste, yogurt and water. Mix well and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes to settle it down for some time. Chop all the vegetables, then add all the vegetables into the gram flour mixture. Mix well and leave it for other 5 to 10 minutes. Heat oil on medium flame, then fry the gram flour and vegetables pakoda mixture in it till golden brown. Delicious mixed pakoras are ready to serve with chutney and tomato ketchup. धनिया, पुदीना और दही की चटनी। अज्जा: धनिया आधी गट्टी, पुदीना 4 खाने के चम्मच, हरी मिर्च 5 अदद, नमक हस्बे जायका, दही 2 कप। तरकीब: ब्लेंडर में धनिया, पुदीना, हरी मिर्चें, नमक और दही डालकर ब्लेंड कर लें। अब इस अमेजे को दही में मिक्स करके सर्व करें। मजेदार चटनी तैयार है, खाने या पकौड़ों के साथ एंजॉय करें। कोरिएंडर, मिंट एंड योगर्ट सॉस। इंग्रेडिएंट्स: coriander leaves half bunch, mint leaves 4 tablespoon finely chopped, green chilies 5 chopped, salt up to taste, yogurt 2 cup. Cooking directions: in a blender, put coriander, mint, salt, green chilies, yogurt and blend well. Add mixture into the yogurt and mix well. Delicious chutney is ready to enjoy with snacks and with a meal.
Welcome back after a very short break. You are watching Zyka World. I'm your host and cooking expert Hina, and in our kitchen today we are making for you guys the mixed pakoda, and we're gonna serve our pakodas with coriander and mint sauce. So before we went for a break, I was peeling the potato. It is done. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna chop this and what is the requirement, I just gonna cut it from the middle so we can prepare a very nicely julienne shape of the potatoes for our pakoras, so they can easily get tender when we are frying. So if you think this is not the right size you need, you can always chop it more. So you can see. Okay, very simple and easy way. Okay, just gonna make more smaller, then you just can even chop him more. Okay, I'm doing julienne chopping. You can do according to your desire how you want your pakoras to look like. So now I'm gonna turn this all like this, and now even gonna chop him more. Okay, that's done. The crunchiness of the potato is gonna give a very good taste to our recipe. So I'm here going to give more cuts than before because I want a bit more thinner the potato chunks. So okay, some people, what they do, they grate the potatoes. It will lose the real what you can say, the texture of your potatoes, because some graters are too thin and sometimes they just get like, what you can say, when you squeeze the potato, there's nothing in there. All the water should be drained out when you grate the potatoes. So what I'm doing, I'm just chopping them, as you can see, nicely chopped. And potato is good for using for your face. What you can if you got some sort of black circles around your eyes, dark circles, you can apply, peel a potato. As you can use a cucumber, you can also use the potatoes, because potato goes are such a starch which is helpful to get rid of all these spots from your face and body. Just do the circle of the potato chunk and just put them on your eyes, cover them with that and relax for 10 to 15 minutes. Sit somewhere nice and calm, and you can always hear a nice music if you like. So while you're sitting, you are relaxing your brain too. So that's helpful to get rid of your not only stress, and plus also from your all these dark circles and whatever the spots on your face. So these are the qualities of the potatoes. Okay, we are just quickly chopping them. Nicely in julienne shape. So potatoes are done. One potato is more than enough. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna chop our green chilies, spring onions and onions. Okay, so just gonna hold it like that. They're already washed and ready to use, so I'm just preparing the rings of these spring onions. Okay, because it's gonna be a pakora mix, so we are trying to chop all the ingredients in all different shapes, so they're gonna turn out in a very good and presentable way. So probably one of the spring onion gonna be do the job in our pakora mix today. Just nicely chop them. Okay, these recipes are very good for your tea times. If you got guests coming around and nearly it's the tea time, so just quickly prepare the pakoras and serve them with tea, and they're gonna be very pleased, because first of all, it's a traditional recipe. Normally people don't prepare them too much in UK and Europe, so they're gonna be very happy like you've done that much effort, because they know it's time consuming to prepare the batter and the veggies for the mixed pakoras. So our spring onions are been chopped. So what I'm gonna do now, here I got some green chilies. I will chop 4 of them. So they are washed and ready to use as well. So I'm just gonna make some space for my chili. So I'm gonna move the potatoes onto the side and spring onions next to the potatoes. And now green chilies, they are very nice, and just gonna do a cut in the middle, and we're gonna finely chop them. And you can always increase the amount of them if you like too much hot or spicy, but if you like the mild food, you can reduce the amount of that as well. As I said, you can adjust the taste of the recipe according to your taste and desire. So just giving a cut in the middle, just nicely chopping them. And whenever you chop the green chilies, always wash your hand after the chopping, because if you contact with your eyes, it's gonna burn your eyes. Even though if you contact your face, it's gonna burn your face as well, because they are very hot. So okay, so here I just remember one of our viewer, she asked me, because whenever she wash her bathtub or sink, all these what you can say, the accessories, they always got the watermark and they won't go away with any sort of detergent or the liquid she's using at the moment. So I will give her a tip what she can do. You know, the white cooking vinegar, just use that, add the vinegar in the spray bottle, and if it's not too strong, just directly spray that vinegar on there and just leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. Afterwards, just use a scrubber and scrub it. It will go away, all these watermarks and all that. Even though you can use the white vinegar for cleaning your glasses or mirrors at home, because that will help them to get rid of all these marks and all these things from there. And if it's not go away like that, then what else you can do, you know, the ketchup we normally use for eating all these pakoras and all these fried food, just apply little bit ketchup on the sponge which you're using to clean your all these wash basin thingy, the accessories. So just apply that on the top of it, leave it for 5 to 10 minutes, just remove it afterward with the sponge, and just use the plain water to clean it. It's gonna help you with that. So all these tips gonna help you out, not only in your kitchen but also in your household as well. Here is the time for a very short break. Don't go anywhere, we will be right back. Keep watching my show Zyka World, only on TV99.
मिक्स पकोड़ा अज्जा, बेसन आधा किलो, हरी प्याज 1 से 2 अदद, हरी मिर्च 4 से 6 अदद, कुटी हुई लाल मिर्च 1.5 खाने का चम्मच, साबुत धनिया 1 चाय का चम्मच, गरम मसाला पाउडर आधा खाने का चम्मच, अदरक लहसुन का पेस्ट 2 खाने के चम्मच, प्याज 2 अदद दरमियाने साइज की, हरा धनिया 5 खाने के चम्मच, पालक आधी गट्टी, आलू 1 अदद, जीरा 1 खाने का चम्मच, दही 2 से 3 खाने के चम्मच, अनारदाना 2 खाने के चम्मच, नमक हस्बे जायका, तेल फ्राई करने के लिए, पानी मिक्स करने के लिए, हल्दी 1 चाय का चम्मच। तरकीब: एक बर्तन में बेसन, तमाम मसाले, लहसुन अदरक का पेस्ट, दही और पानी शामिल करके अच्छी तरह से मिक्स कर लें और 10 से 15 मिनट तक के लिए छोड़ दें। तमाम सब्जियां काट लें, फिर इन सब्जियों को बेसन के आमेजे में शामिल करके खूब अच्छी तरह से मिक्स कर लें और 5 से 10 मिनट के लिए रख दें। दरमियानी आंच पर तेल गर्म करें, फिर इसमें बेसन और सब्जियों का आमेजा शामिल करके पकौड़ों की तरह तल लें। जब गोल्डन ब्राउन हो जाए तो कढ़ाई से निकालकर गर्मा गर्म चटनी और केचप के साथ सर्व करें। मिक्स पकौड़ा। इंग्रेडिएंट्स: ग्राम फ्लावर हाफ kg, टर्मरिक पाउडर 1 टीस्पून, स्प्रिंग अनियन 1 to 2 pieces, green chilies 4 to 6 pieces, chili flakes 1.5 tablespoon, coriander seeds 1 teaspoon crushed, garam masala powder half tablespoon, ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoon, onion 2 medium size, green coriander 5 tablespoon, spinach half bunch, potato 1 chopped, cumin seeds 1 tablespoon, yogurt 2 to 3 tablespoon, pomegranate seeds 2 tablespoon, salt up to taste, oil for frying, water to mix. Cooking directions: in a pot, combine gram flour with all the spices, ginger garlic paste, yogurt and water. Mix well and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes to settle it down for some time. Chop all the vegetables, then add all the vegetables into the gram flour mixture. Mix well and leave it for other 5 to 10 minutes. Heat oil on medium flame, then fry the gram flour and vegetables pakora mixture in it till golden brown. Delicious mixed pakoras are ready to serve with chutney and tomato ketchup. धनिया, पुदीना और दही की चटनी। अज्जा: धनिया आधी गठ्ठी, पुदीना 4 खाने के चम्मच, हरी मिर्च 5 अदद, नमक हस्बे जायका, दही 2 कप। तरकीब: ब्लेंडर में धनिया, पुदीना, हरी मिर्चें, नमक और दही डालकर ब्लेंड कर लें। अब इस अमेज़े को दही में मिक्स करके सर्व करें। मजेदार चटनी तैयार है, खाने या पकौड़ों के साथ एंजॉय करें। कोरिएंडर, मिंट एंड योगर्ट सॉस। इंग्रेडिएंट्स: coriander leaves half punch, mint leaves 4 tablespoon finely chopped, green chilies 5 chopped, salt up to taste, yogurt 2 cup. Cooking directions: in a blender, put coriander, mint, salt, green chilies, yogurt and blend well. Add mixture into the yogurt and mix well. Delicious chutney is ready to enjoy with snacks and with the meal.
Welcome back after a very short break. You are watching Zyka World. I'm your host and cooking expert Hina, and in our kitchen today we are preparing for you guys the pakoda mix, and we're gonna serve our pakodas with coriander and mint sauce. So what I'm doing at the moment, I'm chopping the onions. Here I got the 2 medium size of onions, and I'm just chopping them like in julienne as well. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm using all the shapes in our recipe today. So if you like too much onions, you can add more in, and if you don't like onions, you can skip it because we got the spring onion in our recipe. So that's another form of the onion. So there's no shapes requirement, no exactly the cutting requirement. Here I got the spinach. The spinach leaves are already washed and prepared to use. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add them by chopping. Just gonna remove the top bit of it, so maximum leaf we can use in our recipe. Before I chop these, I will make some space on my chopping board. Okay, so here I got the spinach leaf, finely chop them to add in our pakoda mixture. They also give a very good taste and plus a nice to your pakodas. And for the spinach, I will say all these kids or all these adults who are suffering with the problem of iron deficiency, they should try to add in more greens in their life, in their daily routine, because they are very helpful. They are high or rich source of iron. So especially the spinach is, so you can prepare the saag, you can prepare the spinach and just have all these sort of recipes you should prepare for your kids and for yourself that are going to be help you to increase the iron, which is in really necessity of your body. So all these people suffering from the iron deficiency, do try to add in more greens in their daily routine. So here our spinach is being chopped. Here I got some coriander leaves, probably 2 to 3 tablespoons of coriander leaves we're gonna add in our pakoras today. They are already washed and ready to use, so I'm just gonna finely chop them as well. Okay, that is done. All our veggies maximum we needed for our recipe today, they are being chopped. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna slowly gonna add them in our mixture batter we prepared earlier on with the gram flour and all these spices in it. And then you can always taste the mixture or better. If there is less of something, you can add more in, and if you think this is too spicy, you can add more gram flour in it. So first of all, what I will do, okay, here we got our chopped potatoes. I'm gonna add them slowly into our batter, and some of our spring onions. So all this mixture is going in there, and some green chilies, as you can see. So I'm gonna add everything into our batter. Now I'm just gonna mix it with the batter, and then we'll add our rest of the veggies in it. As I told you earlier on, why we kept up the batter too thick, because we're gonna add the veggies and it's gonna leave some water in there, so it's gonna help them to be more softened. So that's why I keep the batter a bit thicker. And here I got the onions and coriander. First of all, I will add in the coriander leaves. They are finely chopped. It's smelling really nice, fresh coriander. Here I got the spinach leaf, and I'm adding them slowly into our pakoda batter too. Okay. And now, because we chopped the onions, so what I'm gonna do, before I'm gonna add into my mixture, I'm just gonna separate them like this with my hands. Just gonna separate them before we add in our batter. So simple and easy, just use your hand to separate this. And when it's like in Muslim community, when there is month of Ramadan, they normally open their fast with all that so fried food. So today's recipe gonna be helpful for all these religions, all these people, for all these events they do. So, and we try to bring in a very simple way. So I just separated all the onions, and now I'm gonna add into our gram flour mixture of spices and veggies. Very simple and easy. And now we're gonna mix this with a spoon nicely. And if you think this is too thick, you can always add water. As I said, the veggies always leave some water, so we're just gonna mix this and leave it for 1 to 2 minutes. Meanwhile, we will heat our oil for frying, and then we will again check the batter, and if we need it, we can always add more gram flour or more water in it to settle the ingredients, to settle itself down. Very simple and easy recipe today. Just take some time, because chopping needs some time. And as you can see, the batter is neither too thick and neither too thin. I'm just gonna show you how it is. So I'm not using too much gram flour in it, because I really want that actually taste of the veggies should be filled and shown as well. So mixture is done. We mixed everything very well. Now I'm just gonna leave it for a few seconds, and then we're gonna start frying. Meanwhile, what I will do in this pan, I will add our cooking oil, extra virgin olive oil. As I always say, that's the healthy option. And we're gonna deep fry them. And for frying oil, I will give you a tip. The oil you use for frying, you can use nearly 3 times. So when you fry in this oil, you can just strain it out with the strainer, so all the impurities, whatever left over, should come out, and then you can always use for frying for 2 more times. And okay, so we're gonna leave this on a side. Meanwhile, what I will do, I will prepare all these ingredients for our sauce, which we're gonna prepare with the coriander and mint and yogurt. So here I got the bunch of coriander leaves, so I'm gonna just roughly chop them while our oil is heating up and our veggies are mixing together with our batter. So I'm just gonna roughly chop the coriander leaves. This is nearly half bunch of the coriander leaves we got here. Roughly chop it, and now I'm gonna keep it on the side. And now we're gonna quickly chop the mint leaves and some green chilies, and then we're gonna add them in the blender and blend them well. So here I got the green chilies, 4 of them. So basically we're gonna just chop them to help the blender to blend them quickly. So just roughly chopping everything to prepare our sauce, which we're gonna use to serve our pakoras. Okay, very simple and easy way to prepare the sauce. So the green chilies are done. So what we're gonna do here, I got the mint leaves. You can see 4 to 5 tablespoons of mint leaves we need, which is already ready chopped. So here I got that much, and now I just gonna quickly chop them. Meanwhile, our cooking oil is heating itself up, so we're gonna quickly fry our pakoras, and then it's gonna be all ready to serve. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add all of these ingredients in our blender jug. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna add the coriander leaves, which we roughly chopped. And green chilies. And the mint leaves. And here I got the salt, probably a pinch of salt you needed for the taste, not too much. And to help it to be blended nicely in the blender, I'm not using any water because we're gonna add this sauce directly into the yogurt. So I'm adding 2 to 3 or 4 tablespoons of yogurt, so it can help the blender to run smoothly. And as you can see, just to want to check if our oil is heated itself enough, so here I just gonna add the one of the potato in this pan. So as it's gonna come up on the top, you can see clearly it is being heated up nicely. So what we're gonna do, you can see it is frying on the top, so that's mean our oil is ready to fry. And here is a time for a very short break. Don't go anywhere, we will be right back. Keep watching our show Zyka World only on TV99.
मिक्स पकोड़ा अज्जा बेसन आधा किलो, हरी प्याज 1 से 2 अदद, हरी मिर्च 4 से 6 अदद, कुटी हुई लाल मिर्च 1.5 खाने का चम्मच, साबुत धनिया 1 चाय का चम्मच, गरम मसाला पाउडर आधा खाने का चम्मच, अदरक लहसुन का पेस्ट 2 खाने के चम्मच, प्याज 2 अदद दरमियाने साइज की, हरा धनिया 5 खाने के चम्मच, पालक आधी गट्टी, आलू 1 अदद, जीरा 1 खाने का चम्मच, दही 2 से 3 खाने के चम्मच, अनारदाना 2 खाने के चम्मच, नमक हस्बे जायका, तेल फ्राई करने के लिए, पानी मिक्स करने के लिए, हल्दी 1 चाय का चम्मच। तरकीब: एक बर्तन में बेसन, तमाम मसाले, लहसुन अदरक का पेस्ट, दही और पानी शामिल करके अच्छी तरह से मिक्स कर लें और 10 से 15 मिनट तक के लिए छोड़ दें। तमाम सब्जियां काट लें, फिर इन सब्जियों को बेसन के आमेज़े में शामिल करके खूब अच्छी तरह से मिक्स कर लें और 5 से 10 मिनट के लिए रख दें। दरमियानी आंच पर तेल गर्म करें, फिर इसमें बेसन और सब्जियों का आमेज़ा शामिल करके पकौड़ों की तरह तल लें। जब गोल्डन ब्राउन हो जाए तो कढ़ाई से निकालकर गर्मा गर्म चटनी और केचप के साथ सर्व करें। मिक्स पकौड़ा। इंग्रेडिएंट्स: ग्राम फ्लावर हाफ kg, टर्मरिक पाउडर 1 टीस्पून, स्प्रिंग अनियन 1 to 2 pieces, ग्रीन चिलीज 4 to 6 pieces, चिली फ्लेक्स 1.5 tablespoon, कोरिएंडर सीड्स 1 teaspoon crushed, गरम मसाला पाउडर हाफ tablespoon, जिंजर गार्लिक पेस्ट 2 tablespoon, onion 2 medium size, green coriander 5 tablespoon, spinach half bunch, potato 1 chopped, cumin seeds 1 tablespoon, yogurt 2 to 3 tablespoon, pomegranate seeds 2 tablespoon, salt up to taste, oil for frying, water to mix. Cooking directions: in a pot, combine gram flour with all the spices, ginger garlic paste, yogurt and water. Mix well and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes to settle it down for some time. Chop all the vegetables, then add all the vegetables into the gram flour mixture. Mix well and leave it for other 5 to 10 minutes. Heat oil on medium flame, then fry the gram flour and vegetables pakoda mixture in it till golden brown. Delicious mixed pakoras are ready to serve with chutney and tomato ketchup. धनिया, पुदीना और दही की चटनी। अज्जा: धनिया आधी गट्टी, पुदीना 4 खाने के चम्मच, हरी मिर्च 5 अदद, नमक हस्बे जायका, दही 2 कप। तरकीब: ब्लेंडर में धनिया, पुदीना, हरी मिर्चें, नमक और दही डालकर ब्लेंड कर लें। अब इस अमेज़े को दही में मिक्स करके सर्व करें। मजेदार चटनी तैयार है, खाने या पकौड़ों के साथ एंजॉय करें। कोरिएंडर, मिंट एंड योगर्ट सॉस। इंग्रेडिएंट्स: coriander leaves half bunch, mint leaves 4 tablespoon finely chopped, green chilies 5 chopped, salt up to taste, yogurt 2 cup. Cooking directions: in a blender, put coriander, mint, salt, green chilies, yogurt and blend well. Add mixture into the yogurt and mix well. Delicious chutney is ready to enjoy with snacks and with the meal.
Welcome back after a very short break. You're watching Zyka World. I'm your host and cooking expert Hina, and for all these viewers who just joined in now, we are preparing for you guys the mixed pakoda, and we're gonna serve that with the coriander mint sauce. So our oil is heated up as we checked earlier on. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna mix once again our pakoda batter and slowly gonna add the pakodas into this pan. You can choose the size and the amount of batter you want to add in. Not too big, neither too small, just leave enough gap so they can evenly cook from all the sides. As I always say, whenever you fry something, just try to keep the gap in between, so the thing should be fried nicely from all the sides. So that's what we're doing with our pakoras. Okay, so I just want to show you guys, look at the color of it, and plus it's been fried from one side because our oil is heated itself nicely. I'm just going to change the side of it one by one, and then you can always press them down with the spoon so they can be cooked nicely from inside as well. Very nice recipe, and simple and easy, and plus tasty. I don't want them to be left raw or runny better from inside, so that's why I'm just squeezing them well and changing their sides so they can cook equally from all the sides too. Just use the spoon and you're gonna just use your strength to press them down. How you can find out if your pakoras are ready, because all these bubbles were appearing because when we added the batter, and now the bubbles are gone, that means it is ready. They are cooked nicely from inside as well. I'm just checking it once again, and now we're gonna remove them out of this hot oil, and we are removing on this kitchen towel so it can absorb all the extra oil. Okay, that's done. Very simple and easy way to prepare your mixed pakoras. So once again, whenever you add in, just mix again, so the ingredients will be mixed again. No water should be running in there. And now slowly add in one by one. Very simple and easy recipe today for all our vegetarian friends and plus the Muslim friends. Soon is gonna be Ramadan coming, and they're gonna prepare these pakoras for their iftari. They're gonna love it. So while our pakoras are frying nicely in the oil, so what we're gonna do, I'm gonna blend our sauce so it's gonna be ready next to each other, and then we're gonna serve our recipe for today. So as you know, all the ingredients are already in this blender jug. We added our coriander, which is chopped, mint leaves, green chilies, pinch of salt, and some yogurt, which is gonna help this to get blended nicely. Okay, whereas our mint and coriander sauce is ready, so we're gonna add this into our yogurt. So before that, we're gonna just turn the side of our pakoras. As you can see, they're nicely frying in this oil, hot oil. Watch out when the oil is hot, because you can burn yourself. Always try to avoid the water go near to this. So I'm just gonna squeeze them with my spoon I'm just gonna show you the texture of them. Look at the color of our pakoras. They're looking very nice and they're ready to take out. So I'm just gonna remove them from the hot oil, leaving in this kitchen towel, so all the extra oil should be absorbed in there, and then we're gonna serve them. If you think this size is too big, you can always prepare them on a smaller size. It's entirely up to you guys how you want to prepare your pakoras. According to your own taste and desire, you can choose the size of them as well. So once again, we're gonna mix our batter, and now one by one gonna add into hot oil. Simple and easy recipe today. So while our pakoras are frying in this hot oil, we're gonna prepare our sauce. So as you can see, they are done. I'm just gonna remove them from the hot oil. So before I do that, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna spread these into our platter nicely. So there's gonna be enough space to keep more. As you can see, there's no oil on our kitchen towel, so you can find out we're not using too much. We are draining them nicely, so there's no much oil left in there. So these are done. Again, once again, mix your batter, and then one by one add in there. Why I'm mixing it again and again? Because I want the batter and the vegetables should be mixed together, so each and individual pakora get all the veggies in it, and all the taste and spices should be inside. So that's why I'm carrying mixing and adding into the hot oil. Now here I got nearly 2 cups of yogurt. I'm just gonna beat well with a spoon, so all the lumps should be smoothened. So as you find out there's no lumps in it, we're gonna add our sauce which we prepared earlier on. I'm just gonna blend it once again. Why I blended again? Because we added a little bit of yogurt in it, so I don't want to be this is probably more, so we're gonna add nearly 2 tablespoons of our sauce. Enough. You can add this sauce in the yogurt and serve with the pakoras. Otherwise this sauce definitely gonna taste nice without the yogurt too. If you like a bit spicy, then you can just use the sauce without yogurt. I will pour in the sauce in a different bowl, so you will see the texture of the sauce as well. Okay, just gonna changing the side of the, basically by squeezing them I'm helping them to get tender from inside as well, so they are crunchy and nice. And I'm gonna add these in here as well. While we are cooking them, I'm preparing the platter too. Okay viewers, our recipe for today, which is delicious mixed pakoras, and plus we serving them with the mint and coriander sauce which we mixed with the yogurt. And here I got some sauce which is raw, so you can use both of them according to your taste and desire. Is ready to serve now. Do try our recipe and please do give us your feedback. It's mean a lot to us. As I always say in each and every show, if you got a recipe and you want to share with us, do not hesitate, write on our Zyka World page, either on our Facebook page, and plus don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel with the name of TV99. Here is the time to say goodbye, so take care and Allah Hafiz from me, Hina Iqbal. Keep watching our show Zyka World only on TV99.
मिक्स पकोड़ा अज्जा बेसन आधा किलो, हरी प्याज 1 से 2 अदद, हरी मिर्च 4 से 6 अदद, कुटी हुई लाल मिर्च 1.5 खाने का चम्मच, साबुत धनिया 1 चाय का चम्मच, गरम मसाला पाउडर आधा खाने का चम्मच, अदरक लहसुन का पेस्ट 2 खाने के चम्मच, प्याज 2 अदद दरमियाने साइज की, हरा धनिया 5 खाने के चम्मच, पालक आधी गट्टी, आलू 1 अदद, जीरा 1 खाने का चम्मच, दही 2 से 3 खाने के चम्मच, अनारदाना 2 खाने के चम्मच, नमक हस्बे जायका, तेल फ्राई करने के लिए, पानी मिक्स करने के लिए, हल्दी 1 चाय का चम्मच। तरकीब: एक बर्तन में बेसन, तमाम मसाले, लहसुन अदरक का पेस्ट, दही और पानी शामिल करके अच्छी तरह से मिक्स कर लें और 10 से 15 मिनट तक के लिए छोड़ दें। तमाम सब्जियां काट लें, फिर इन सब्जियों को बेसन के आमेजे में शामिल करके खूब अच्छी तरह से मिक्स कर लें और 5 से 10 मिनट के लिए रख दें। दरमियानी आंच पर तेल गर्म करें, फिर इसमें बेसन और सब्जियों का आमेजा शामिल करके पकौड़ों की तरह तल लें। जब गोल्डन ब्राउन हो जाए तो कढ़ाई से निकालकर गर्मा गर्म चटनी और केचप के साथ सर्व करें। मिक्स पकौड़ा। इंग्रेडिएंट्स: ग्राम फ्लावर हाफ kg, टर्मरिक पाउडर 1 टीस्पून, स्प्रिंग अनियन 1 to 2 pieces, ग्रीन चिलीज 4 to 6 pieces, चिली फ्लेक्स 1.5 tablespoon, कोरिएंडर सीड्स 1 teaspoon crushed, गरम मसाला पाउडर हाफ tablespoon, जिंजर गार्लिक पेस्ट 2 tablespoon, onion 2 medium size, green coriander 5 tablespoon, spinach half bunch, potato 1 chopped, cumin seeds 1 tablespoon, yogurt 2 to 3 tablespoon, pomegranate seeds 2 tablespoon, salt up to taste, oil for frying, water to mix. Cooking directions: in a pot, combine gram flour with all the spices, ginger garlic paste, yogurt and water. Mix well and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes to settle it down for some time. Chop all the vegetables, then add all the vegetables into the gram flour mixture. Mix well and leave it for other 5 to 10 minutes. Heat oil on medium flame, then fry the gram flour and vegetables pakora mixture in it till golden brown. Delicious mixed pakoras are ready to serve with chutney and tomato ketchup. धनिया, पुदीना और दही की चटनी। अज्जा: धनिया आधी गट्टी, पुदीना 4 खाने के चम्मच, हरी मिर्च 5 अदद, नमक हस्बे जायका, दही 2 कप। तरकीब: ब्लेंडर में धनिया, पुदीना, हरी मिर्चें, नमक और दही डालकर ब्लेंड कर लें। अब इस अमेजे को दही में मिक्स करके सर्व करें। मजेदार चटनी तैयार है, खाने या पकौड़ों के साथ एंजॉय करें। कोरिएंडर, मिंट एंड योगर्ट सॉस। इंग्रेडिएंट्स: coriander leaves half bunch, mint leaves 4 tablespoon finely chopped, green chilies 5 chopped, salt up to taste, yogurt 2 cup. Cooking directions: in a blender, put coriander, mint, salt, green chilies, yogurt and blend well. Add mixture into the yogurt and mix well. Delicious chutney is ready to enjoy with snacks and with a meal.